Click on the gear icon at the top right of your screen. Under the account settings, choose the business option. Then click on more and select on the branding. On the branding page, tap on email receipts to start customizing and design your Stripe email receipts page. The change you've made on your email receipts page will also be applied on the other pages here at the top. Meanwhile, it will also be applied both on mobile view of your customer and the desktop view. So first, you may add your own icon and logo. The icon on Stripe usually only contain your symbol. As you can see, this is my symbol, the modified word of M, while my brand name is My Swanflower. And as for the logo on Stripe, is usually contain your symbol with your brand name in it. Like this one, I show the full name of my brand, My Swanflower. As for the brand color, usually it will colorize the header background of your email receipts page. And as for the accent color, it will change nothing on the email receipts page. Rather, it will change the key call to actions button on the other pages. After every changes you've made, click on the Save Change button at the bottom right of your screen to save your progress. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I'll try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.